Hello and welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Matic chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Matic is trying to break through a key area of resistance at around the $0.678 mark, and a break above that key area of resistance, then we can watch out for a successful retest. And once the retest is in and a success, then we can continue gearing up to our next key areas of resistances at around the $0.7838 mark. Matic has also continued to obey the ED12 structures, and you can see that after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June, we started this nice recovery to the upside in a move that has been obeying the ED12 structures, where you can see that on the charts I have this ED12 structure in yellow, where I'm terming that as a first wave to the upside. Then we saw this breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, fully maximizing our minimum retracement area highlighted on the charts using this red target area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we fully maximized, and we saw a reaction of that target area in an impulsive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in my previous videos I have been giving you minimum target areas for that third wave to the upside by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a minimum target area for that third wave to the upside at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.8166 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Matic to do in the formation of that wave 3. And in the formation of that wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, where on the charts you can see that I'm terming this as a first wave, then we saw a corrective structure in that wave 2, then a wave 3, then a wave 4, in a move that managed to get into our minimum retracement area highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And you can now see that we are seeing a very nice reaction of this target area, and if we manage to break above resistance over here, maybe get a successful retest, then we are going to get one more leg up in the formation of this wave 5, fully maximizing our minimum target areas for these higher ED wave count 3. So there are high chances that the moment we manage to break resistance, we are going to see a very impulsive move to the upside, fully maximizing our target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.81 mark. And that is the most ideal situation that we can expect here on the Matic chart before we can expect another breakdown in our wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of this wave 5, completing an even larger ED wave count 1 to the upper side. Then once the 5-wave move is complete, then afterwards we can expect a breakdown move in an ABC corrective structure before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. Also zooming out to give you my long-term point of view here on the Matic chart. If I zoom out on the 4-hour chart, where you can see that after seeing our low at around the $0.32 mark, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $1.3 mark, completing the formation of this larger ED wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger ED wave count 2, in a move that has now fully maximized minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And since the yellow target area has been fully maximized, there are high chances that the low for this second wave is now in, and we are now ready for a massive pump in the formation of a larger ED wave count 3, and giving you minimum target areas for that third wave to the upper side by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, I get a minimum target area for that third wave to the upside at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $2.1108 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Matic to do in the formation of that wave 3. And for it to confirm to us that the low for the second wave is in, all we need to see is a 5-wave move on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure and a break above significant highs and areas of resistances here on the charts. Once you see such a movement on the charts, that will be enough confirmation that the low is in and the start of an impulse in this wave 3 has now started. So that is what I'm watching out here on the Matic chart, and let's be patient and see how that plays out. Also taking a look at the indicators. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 50 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.